In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive links not opening in 2025. If you've ever clicked a Google Drive link and it just spins, shows a blank page, or sits there without loading, this walkthrough will help you get it working again in a few quick checks. Start by heading to the Google Drive homepage in your browser. Opening Drive first helps the link open with the right session and permissions. If you already have a Drive tab open, bring it to the front so your account is active. This simple step often resolves issues where the link can't confirm who you are or which account should be used. Now try the link again. If it still doesn't open, refresh the page. You can click the reload button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut to refresh. A refresh clears temporary hiccups on the page and forces your browser to request the file again from Google servers. If the link was stuck due to a brief network or tab error, a refresh typically takes care of it. Give it a moment after refreshing and wait for the page to fully load before clicking again. If the link still won't open after a refresh, it's time to clear your browser's cache data for a clean start. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner to open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. In the Basic or Advanced tab, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. These are the two items that most often cause Google Drive to misbehave when they become outdated or corrupted. You can choose a time range that suits you. If the issue has been ongoing, selecting a longer range can help. Avoid selecting save passwords if you don't want to sign back into all your sites. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Once you've cleared those items, close the dialog, return to your Google Drive tab, and try the link again. With fresh cookies and a clean cache, the link should load normally, fetch the latest permissions, and display the file or folder as expected. To recap, open Google Drive first, refresh if the link doesn't load, and if the problem persists, clear cookies and cached images and files in Chrome before trying again. These steps resolve the vast majority of stubborn Google Drive link issues and get you back to your files quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Drive links opening smoothly.